saying he is good or she is nice. These words are boring. If you want to sound confident, fluent, and impressive in English, you need powerful personality phrases. Hi, I'm Pratiksha, and today I'll show you how native speakers talk about personality. One strong sentence can change how confident you sound. He has a strong personality. Don't say he is very confident. Say this instead. He has a strong personality. This means he is confident, not easily influenced, knows what exactly he wants. Example: she has a strong personality. She speaks her mind. She is very down to earth. Don't say she is simple. She is very down to earth, meaning she is humble, friendly, not arrogant. For example, even though she is famous, she is very down to earth. He is sharp. Don't say he is very smart. Say he is sharp, meaning quick thinker, intelligent, mentally alert. For example, ask him for advice. He is really sharp. She has a calm presence. This is a very beautiful phrase. She has a calm presence, meaning peaceful personality makes others feel relaxed. Example: she has a calm presence. People feel safe around her. He wears his heart on his sleeves. Now, let's sound like a native. He wears his heart on his sleeves, meaning very emotional, openly expresses feelings. Example: he wears his heart on his sleeve. You always know how he feels. She has a sharp tongue. Careful with this one. She has a sharp tongue. Speak very directly. Can be rude or sarcastic. For example, she has a sharp tongue, but she is honest. He is a people person. Don't say he likes talking to people. Say instead, he is a people person, meaning friendly, enjoy being around others. For example, he is a people person. He makes friends easily. She stands her ground. Powerful phrase. She stands her ground, meaning doesn't give up her opinion. Confident under pressure. For example, even in arguments, she stands her ground. He is very self driven, meaning motivated, works without being pushed. He is very self driven. No one needs to remind him to work. She has a positive mindset, meaning optimistic, focuses on solutions. Even in tough situations, she has a positive mindset. He is emotionally mature, meaning handles emotions well, doesn't overreact. He is emotionally mature. He listens before reacting. She is a natural leader, meaning people naturally follow her. She doesn't force authority. She is a natural leader. He has a magnetic personality, meaning attractive energy. People are drawn to him. For example, he has a magnetic personality, people enjoying being around him. She is level headed, meaning calm and sensible in stress. Even during chaos, she stays level headed. Subscribe and like. See you in the next video.